Welcome to Jain's Anushri, a community designed to redefine luxury living. Nestled in the heart of Navaloor, this modern development offers the perfect blend of convenience, style, and innovation. Today, I'll walk you through the top 10 reasons why Jain's Anushri should be your next home. Jain's Anushri is strategically located in Navaloor, offering unparalleled connectivity and convenience. Just 5 minutes from OMR Main Road and Sirseri IT Hub, 800 meters from Marina Mall and the upcoming metro station, 1.5 kilometers from Vivera Mall and 3 kilometers from Sholinganallur. Surrounded by major IT companies and educational institutions, making it perfect for professionals and families. This project caters to families and professionals from areas such as Thoraipakkam, Perumpakkam, Medavakkam, Sholinganallur, Talambur, Sirseri, Padur, Kelambakkam, Kovilambakkam, Keelkattalai. Its proximity to key institutions like Campus K School, Amethyst International School, PSBB School, Satyabama University, and KC High International School, along with hospitals like Chettinad Hospital, makes it an unbeatable choice for those seeking both convenience and quality. Here, you get more value for your money. With about 71% carpet area, one of the best in the industry. This means spacious interiors and efficient layouts designed for modern living. Jain's Anushri boasts over 80 amenities, including gym, open-air mini theatre, party lawn with BBQ, rooftop lounge, EV car charging area, skating rink. In addition to these world-class amenities, Jain's Anushri offers premium specifications, CP fittings and sanitary fittings for the highest standards of quality, marble-like tiles that add elegance to your living spaces, digital locks for enhanced security, power backup inside each apartment, ensuring you never face an interruption. Every unit is designed with an efficient floor plan that maximizes light, ventilation, and privacy. Highlights include zero dead space, Vastu-compliant designs, spacious living and dining areas, balconies with premium views that ensure privacy. Our commitment to timely delivery is backed by the latest Mygon technology, ensuring faster construction, smooth finishes, payment schedules timed to project progress. Mygon technology offers multiple advantages, including high carpet area, earthquake resistance, smooth finishes, reduced maintenance, prevention of leakage and seepage issues. With 37 years of excellence, 21,000 happy customers, and over 200 plus completed projects, Jain Housing is a name you can trust. We prioritize quality with over 850 checks and use only branded materials for construction. Navaloor is a rapidly growing area with immense potential for growth and investment. It is strategically located close to Chennai's IT hub at Sirseri and Sipcot, ensuring a strong demand for residential properties. The upcoming metro line with a stop at Navaloor, just 5 minutes away, will provide unparalleled connectivity to the rest of the city. With high rental yields and property appreciation expected, investing in this area now is a wise decision for your future. All this luxury and convenience comes at a highly competitive price, making Jain's Anushri one of the most attractive real estate options in the market. Take advantage of our special launch offer and secure your dream home at Jain's Anushri today. With added benefit of affordability and exceptional value, it is the perfect time to make this investment. You deserve a home that offers both quality and comfort, and Jain's Anushri delivers just that. So why wait? Experience affordable luxury thriving community and a lifestyle designed just for you. Visit Jain Tanushree today and take the first step to your dream home. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you soon at Jain Tanushree.